What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you ain't been here yet, my name's Dylan, and this is gonna be just a quick video on the Kohl's 50% off clearance deal they just had last week. Show you some things that I got just to show you that money's everywhere. Thrifting is not dying. This is something called retail arbitrage, where you're going into retail stores and buying things that are brand new, but 50, 60, sometimes up to 90% off. It seemed like last week everyone was doing them. Kohl's did one, Target did one, and I believe Walmart did one. They do these a bunch of times a year, especially at the end of the season. So after winter's over, they throw all the stuff on clearance for even more off, which is like 50%, 60% off. So you're buying things out of season. Not always. In this case, I got me a lot of sneakers. But yeah, whether shopping for yourself or reselling, it's a great way to save some money. Matter of fact, I got this shirt, $4, baby, $4. So let me show you what I picked up. Little idea of what I spent. I spent around 480 bucks. I did buy some things for my son and a couple things for me. But just to give you an idea, I spent roughly about 480 bucks, and I'll show you what I got. So here we go. I picked up all these kicks, some Kohl shoes. A lot of Under Armour sneakers do not sell, but these boots do very good. I'm just getting into the retail arbitrage game. I did it last year, but I'm learning more about it. These are the UA Stellar G2 6-inch. Got me 4 pair, and as you can see, they were in the clearance aisle already for $70, and then you take 50% off of that $70, so $35, and these do sell for about $70 or more on eBay. So yes, most of this stuff though, I paid about $27, $30, and mostly every pair of shoe here goes for over 50 bucks. These Kohl sell good. You see $55, so these are clearance 55. So now it says, as you can see in the red, it says 50% off. So 50% off of 55 is about $22.50, $23. And again, those should sell for about 50 bucks. Boy, I did very good. I got some clothes here too, couple things. They didn't have a lot of clothes because sales like this, you kind of get up on this the first day. I went the third day, and then I went the 5th day. I went 2 different times. That's why I had 2 receipts, and I still did pretty good. Yes, I mean, even if I sell everything here for only 50 bucks, that would be 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. I still make 600 bucks. I spent, a little more than 400 bucks. I know I'll make more than that. I'm just giving you a breakdown, a little rough estimate. Got some Uggs here. These Nikes, the M Air Max Alpha Trainer 6s. These were $65 in the red with 50% off. So again, $32, $33, and those will sell for more than $55. What a steal, what a great deal, even if you're only shopping for yourself. Here's a nice new Adidas track jacket. Again, I normally wouldn't pick this up at the thrift store, but new with tags, sells good, and the reason I think why they had this off so much at the store, because it's a 3XL. Again, I think big, huge people, 3XL, that's a big person. They don't like shopping in stores. They're lazy, they're bigger, they go online and they shop. This thing was in clearance for $16.50, so half of that. What is that? 8 bucks. 8 bucks. This should sell for about $30. I also got a nice Columbia jacket. Again, this thing is huge, and I'm very familiar with bigger sizes. They sell great. This is a 3X. This is one of those Omni Heats. This I would pick up used if I could get it for cheap. But man, what a steal. This sells for 70, 80 bucks new on eBay. It was $45.50 with 65% off. This was listed at $130. Then they put it on clearance 2 different times. And the last clearance sticker, $45.50 with 65 off. So what is that? 20 bucks? Roughly. What a steal. Again, you gotta learn about retail arbitrage. You have a potential to make some good money shopping at Marshall's, Dick's Sporting Goods, Kohl's, these type of stores. Aeropostale, $32.34. This might not sell used, but new, I know it will sell. Price tag on it, the MSRP says $59.95, 60 bucks. In clearance for $17.98, $18. And now, what does that say? 70% off. So I got 70% off of $17.98, whatever that is, $6, $5. What a steal. I'll sell these for $25 all day long. I'm sorry I don't know my percentages very well. So that's all I wanted to show you. Just getting you inspired, getting you hyped to get out there, get informed, sign up to their email list, all the stores, the Walmarts, the Dick's, the Academy, Kohl's. That way you can get notified when they're doing these 50% off deals. That's how I found this out. I signed up to Kohl's last year when I did it. And they already did a couple already this year, but unfortunately I was busy and I was very excited to go to this one. But usually the name of the game is you got to get there first. Sometimes that's a little hard. A lot of resellers know the game. So you have competition, but hey, it's part of my business. You're going to get better and better and better. And as you can see, I went on the 3rd and 5th day and still made out okay. So there you have it. I hope you're liking this content. If you liked it, throw me a comment, a like. Look, it helps the algorithm. And if you're not subscribed already, what the heck are you waiting for? If you want to watch more reselling content of mine, watch one of these 2 videos. And always remember those 5 P's, guys. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. So get prepared so you can perform at 100% and subscribe so I can catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.